Hello friends, welcome to Dream Decor. Today in this video I share with you some cottage inspired garden decoration ideas. Let's see the video. Cottage inspired garden decor is a charming, romantic garden style that looks natural, welcoming and slightly whimsical. It is inspired by traditional English countryside cottages where flowers, herbs, and decorative elements blend together in a relaxed and informal way. Key features of cottage-inspired garden decor: abundant flowers. Cottage gardens are known for colorful flowers planted closely together. Popular choices include roses, lavender, foxgloves, daisies, hollyhocks, peonies. The goal is a lush, overflowing look rather than neat rows. Vintage and rustic elements. Decor often includes wooded watering cans, antique garden tools, rustic wooden plates, vintage birdhouses, old wheelbarrows used as planters. These items add character and a sense of history. Natural pathways. Instead of formal walkways, cottage gardens often feature stone paths, gravel walkways, stepping stones surrounded by flowers. The paths should feel inviting and natural. Cozy sitting area. A small sitting area creates a peaceful retreat. Wooden benches, old iron chairs, bistro tables, garden swings. Adding cushions with floral patterns enhance the cottage feel. Wildlife-friendly features. Cottage gardens welcome nature with bird feeders, bird beds, butterfly attracting flowers, bee-friendly plants. This helps create a lively and vibrant garden. Cottage garden color palette. Soft natural colors work best. Cream, white, soft pink, lavender, sage green, pale yellow, light blue. Layer plants by height. Create a lush, full appearance by planting tall flowers at the back, medium-sized plants in the middle, low-growing flowers along the edges. This gives the garden depth and a natural cottage garden feel. Mix flowers and herbs. Traditional cottage gardens often combine ornamental flowers with useful herbs such as lavender, rosemary, thyme, mint, sage. The mix adds fragrance, texture, and practicality. Add a charming garden gate. A simple wooden or old iron gate can become a beautiful focal point. climbing roses or clematis to grow over it for extra charm. Use decorative planters. Choose containers with character. Terracotta pots, galvanized metal buckets, vintage watering cans, wooden boxes. Group different sizes together for a collected look. Create wildlife habitats. Encourages birds, bees, and butterflies by adding flowering plants, bird beds, nesting box, planting friendly flowers. A lively garden feels more authentic and inviting. Include garden accessories springly. A few carefully chosen decorations can add personality. Vintage lanterns, rustic sinks, decorative obliques, garden status. Avoid overcrowding the space. Add small trees and shrubs. Consider flowering shrubs, small fruit trees, hydrangeas, lilacs. These provide a structure while maintaining the soft cottage style. Let plants spill over its allow flowers and greenery to gently spill over pathways, containers, and borders. Decorate with handmade touches. Since you enjoy vintage cottage and crochet decor, try adding crochet covered plant pots, handmade garden cushions, decorative crochet bunting for outdoor seating areas. Vintage style floral table linens. These personal touches make the garden feel warm and unique. Create cozy garden rooms. Divide your garden into small, intimate spaces using floral covered trellises, hedges, arbors, climbing plants. Each area can have its own purpose, such as reading, dining, or relaxing. The secret to cottage-inspired garden decor is making the space feel romantic, welcoming, and naturally beautiful, as if it has grown and evolved over many years. Thanks for watching the video.